Yakult, everyone's favorite probiotic milk drink. Damn it. Not just us, right? Well, this video isn't actually about Yakult, but more of our love for the well-known milk drink. To the point that I got this keycap set to build a keyboard for the wifey. This is the Yakult keycaps from Qwertyqop, and I'll be pairing it with the Epomaker Feker Galaxy80. A pre-built aluminum TKL layout board complete with a foam build and polycarbonate plate equipped with Feker's very own Marble White switches. Also, check out how cute its dongle storage is. Now let's put on the keycaps and see how it looks.